Here I have MOTOROLA Moto E22i, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So firstly we'll need this kind of tool, which will help you to eject the SIM card and SD card slot, which you can find right here. So you just put this tool inside the hole in the slot, slightly press it, the slot will pop out. Maybe something more. Now we can eject it. So here you should insert your SD card, and here you should insert SIM card. So basically you have SIM 1 and SIM 2. It's written here, SD21. So let's insert the SIM 1, and then you put it back into your device just like this. And as you can see, it immediately requires PIN code to my SIM card, which is to prove that SIM card is detected. So let's enter it. And there's also notification SD card, which is to prove that SD card is also detected. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.